Hey everyone, in this video we will review Sage 100. Sage 100 is an enterprise resources planning or ERP software designed for small to mid-sized businesses or SMBs. It provides a comprehensive solutions for managing core business functions including financial management, manufacturing, and CRM. Sage 100 is available both as an on-premise solutions and as Sage 100 Cloud, which offers cloud-based deployment with enhanced mobility and scalability. The software is modular, allowing businesses to pay only for the features they need, and it offers robust tools for accounting, job costing, payroll, and inventory controls. While it is highly customizable and scalable, it may not be the best fit for every small business or those seeking a more modern, cloud-native platform. Despite its advantages, the user interface can feel outdated compared to newer alternatives, and businesses may need external consultants for setup and optimizations. It is ideal for businesses in wholesale, distribution, light manufacturing, and service industries that require strong financial and inventory management. Sage is known for its user-friendly software that helps businesses manage tasks like invoicing, budgeting, inventory control, payroll processing, and compliance with tax regulations. It's a cloud-based solution provides real-time data access, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. It is recognized for its strong customer support, training resources, and the ability to integrate with various third-party applications. It is a trusted choice for businesses looking to improve efficiency and productivity. Sage X3 is a robust ERP solution designed for mid-sized and large businesses, offering integrated management of finances, supply chain, and human resources. It supports global operations with multi-currency and multi-language capabilities and is cloud-based for real-time access. It is known for its scalability, also provides powerful analytics and automation, making it ideal for businesses with complex processes. Sage 300 is an ERP solution for small to mid-sized businesses, offering tools for financial management, inventory control, and project management. It supports both on-premise and cloud deployments and is especially known for its accounting capabilities and multi-currency support. It is highly customizable and integrates well with other systems, making it suitable for businesses in manufacturing, distribution, and retail. Sage CRM is a customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage customer data, sales opportunities, and customer support. It integrates seamlessly with other Sage solutions and provides features like sales automation, marketing management, and reporting. It enhances customer relationships, streamlines sales, and improves customer service with both on-premise and cloud deployment options. Businesses all over the world trust Sage for its reliable and comprehensive business management solutions. With over 40 years of experience, Sage has established itself as a leader that caters to small, medium, and large enterprises across various industries. Known for its scalability, flexibility, and user-friendly designs, Sage empowers businesses to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and make data-driven decisions. It's a global reach with solutions tailored to different languages, currencies, and regulatory environments makes Sage a trusted partner for businesses aiming to grow. Sage has a strong network of partners and provides 24/7 support to ensure businesses get the most out of their solutions. The Sage Partner Network includes a wide range of certificate consultants, resellers, and developers who offer implementation services, customization, and ongoing support for Sage products. These partners help businesses tailor Sage solutions to their specific needs and ensure smooth integrations into existing systems. In addition, it offers customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and online resources. These round-the-clock assistants ensure that businesses can quickly resolve issues, get technical help, and access updates or training whenever needed. Its dedication to providing ongoing support helps ensure businesses experience minimal downtime and continue to optimize their operations with confidence. Sage's official website serves as a comprehensive portal for their business management solutions. The site offers detailed information on Sage's suite of products, including accounting, payroll, and CRM solutions tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. Users can explore various solutions based on company size, industry, or specific business needs. The website also provides resources such as free guides, templates, and a blog titled Sage Advice to assist businesses in optimizing their operations. Additionally, visitors can access customer and partner portals, ensuring seamless support and engagement with Sage's services. Joining the Sage Partner Network provides numerous benefits for businesses looking to grow and expand their service offerings. Partner gain access to Sage's industry-leading solutions in ERP, accounting, payroll, and CRM, allowing them to deliver top-tier products to the client. With extensive training certification programs, Sage ensures partners are equipped with the knowledge and resources needed for successful implementation. The network also offers marketing resources, including co-branded materials, lead generation opportunities, and attracting new customers. Additionally, partners can benefit from the revenue growth by offering Sage's solutions. Collaborating with a trusted global brand enhances credibility and trust with clients. The Sage Partner Network opens up significant opportunities for business expansions and success. In the Sage Partner Network, there are two primary types of partnership: tech partners and business partners, each with distinct roles and benefits. Tech partners are typically technology companies or independent software vendors or ISVs that integrate their solutions with Sage products. These partners provide complementary tools or services that enhance Sage's offerings, such as custom software, cloud integrations, or specialized applications. By partnering with Sage, tech partners can expand their market reach and collaborate on developing solutions that meet the unique needs of Sage customers. Business partners are companies that sell, implement, and support Sage products for end customers. This category includes resellers, consultants, and service providers who help businesses deploy and customize Sage solutions to meet their specific needs. It typically works closely with customers to provide consulting, implementation, training, and ongoing support. Building and integrating with Sage allows businesses to enhance their operations by creating custom solutions and connections between Sage products and third-party systems. Developers can utilize Sage's APIs and development tools to build applications or integrations, streamlining workflows and improving data accuracy. With access to a Sage's partner network, businesses can collaborate with experts to customize Sage solutions to fit their unique needs, ensuring scalability and efficiency as they grow. Developing apps and integrating them with Sage enables businesses to extend functionality and increase their reach. By leveraging its APIs and development tools, businesses can build custom applications that enhance user experiences and provide specialized solutions for their clients. Integrating these apps with Sage's platform helps streamline operations and data flow. Additionally, Sage allows businesses to connect to banks for real-time financial data synchronizations, enabling automated bank and financial management. This integration helps businesses reduce manual processes and broaden their reach by offering seamless connections. Managed services with Sage involve outsourcing the management and support of Sage software to experts who ensure the system runs smoothly. This includes tasks like system monitoring, troubleshooting, software updates, and data backups, allowing businesses to focus on their core operations. Additionally, expert training is offered to help users understand and fully leverage Sage products. This training, available through Sage or its partners, covers everything from basic functionality to advanced features. Training programs can be tailored to specific needs, ensuring teams are equipped with the skills necessary to maximize the value of Sage software and boost productivity. Sage solutions offer several advantages, including comprehensive functionality across accounting, ERP, payroll, and CRM, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Its scalability allows businesses to grow with the software, while its global reach with multi-currency and multi-language support is ideal for international operations. The cloud-based options provide real-time access and flexibility, and Sage's 24/7 customer support and extensive training resources ensure businesses are well supported. However, the complexity of its feature can be overwhelming for smaller businesses, and the software can be expensive. Some users find the interface less intuitive, leading to a steeper learning curve. While Sage offers flexibility, certain customizations may require technical expertise, and integrations with third-party applications or legacy systems can sometimes be challenging. Whether Sage is worth it depends on your business needs, size, and budget. For larger businesses or those experiencing growth, Sage offers a powerful suite of tools that can streamline operations, improve financial management, and enhance productivity. Its scalability, global reach, and cloud-based options make it a solid choice for businesses looking for long-term solutions. Additionally, the strong customer support and training resources provide a safety net for users. However, for smaller businesses or those with simpler needs, the complexity and cost of Sage might outweigh the benefit. The learning curve and the need for customization cloud be time-consuming, and the software may not provide the same level of ease as some simpler alternatives. If you're looking for a robust, scalable solution that can handle complex operations and you have the budget and resources to support it, Sage is worth it. For smaller businesses with more straightforward needs, it may be more cost-effective to explore other options. Sage 100 is an integrated business management software designed for small to mid-sized businesses, offering a comprehensive suite of tools. A general review of Sage 100 highlights its robust functionality, particularly in financial management and reporting, making it a solid choice for companies looking to streamline their operations. The software offers features like accounts payable, receivable payroll, general ledger, and inventory control, which can be customized based on specific business needs. However, some users find the interface somewhat outdated and challenging to navigate, especially without proper training. Additionally, while Sage 100 is flexible and scalable, it can be quite expensive, particularly when factoring an implementation, ongoing support, and customization cost. Overall, it's an excellent solution for business looking for a comprehensive ERP system, but it may not be ideal for smaller companies with simpler needs or those looking for a more user-friendly platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.